walked out of the house, it began to rain. I got on a train, started thinking about being single again. I got off at the next station, went to Westfield, trying to buy myself some time. Now I'm back here, and I'm trying to explain what brought me back. Just a hunch, just an inkling, just a feeling. A suspicion, a compromise, force of habit, but I got this feeling over years. Love turns into background noise, like it's ringing in my ears, like the birds in our fridge. You only know just when it disappears. I got no evidence, don't remember the first time, or the last time, or the way we got from here to there. Should I keep you at arm's length, too far away? I'll die of cold, too close, I'll lose my teeth and hair. It's only real if you don't know where you're going, if you don't know what you're feeling. The afternoon sunlight in your hair, feet on the moss. Jesus Christ now, what a feeling.